Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I'm your teacher, Ma'am Huma, and I'm taking class prep English subject, and you are watching Show and Tell English lecture. What you need for today's work: student book, literacy book with a pencil, sharpener, and eraser. Today we have to do Unit 7. What jobs do people do? Objective of the lesson is familiarize children with words for job.
2:27. Listen and repeat.
Chef, police officer, firefighter, nurse, taxi driver, vet.
2:26. Listen and point.
She's helping the doctor. She's a nurse.
Yummy pasta.
He's cooking pasta. He's a chef.
He's in a taxi. He's a taxi driver.
She's wearing a yellow hat. She's a firefighter.
He's playing with the firefighter. He's a police officer.
Poor bird. Oh. She's helping Bird. She's a vet.
Now children, from student book, please open page number 75. Play with me. On the top of the page, first write date 22nd December. First write 22nd December with capital D, December, December, comma 2020. In the middle write capital H dot capital T and then write Tuesday. Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Now what you have to do, there are some words and pictures are given. Look at the first picture, that is a firefighter, Firefighter, firefighter. You have to trace the word firefighter and then you have to paste sticker on firefighter picture, and stickers are given at the back of the book. Now look at the second picture. She's a nurse, Nurse, nurse. You have to trace the word nurse and then you have to paste the sticker of nurse. Look at the third picture, taxi driver, Taxi, taxi, Driver, taxi driver. Next is police officer, Police, police officer, Officer, police officer. Next, vet, Wet, vet. Chef, chef. Children, you have to trace all these words and then you have to paste the sticker which are given at the end of the book.
2:29. Listen and play the game.
Number 6. Is he a police officer? No, he isn't. Is he a chef? No, he isn't. Okay, he's a taxi driver. Yes, that's right.
228. Listen and stick.
Is she a firefighter?
Yes, she is. Is he a police officer?
No, he isn't. He's a taxi driver. Is he a police officer?
Yes, he is. Is she a nurse?
No, she isn't. She's a vet. Is she a nurse?
Yes, she is. Is he a chef?
Yes, he is.
Everyone, please open Literacy book, Unit 7. Page number is 38. On this page, we have to do two new diagrams, and R. The words in which ER comes, the sound makes and the words on which at the end OR comes, the sound makes R and R. Now look at the first picture. There is a man standing holding a broom in his hand. He is a farmer. You have to write spelling of farmer. 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 Now look at the next picture. Helicopter. You have to write spelling of helicopter. 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 Now look at the next picture. There is a teacher with a student. You have to write spelling of teacher. 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 Now look at the next picture. There is a man standing. He is a sailor. 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 Now look at the woman. She is doing some acting. She is a actor. 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 And then you have to write spelling of alligator. ALLIE. GATOR. Now the lesson is over. I hope you have understood all the things, how you have to do work. Write the date and day and trace all the words which are given on page number 75 in neat writing, and paste the stickers. And everyone, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.